What's up, everybody? Thanks for tuning in to GA Daily. I'm over here at Go Fast Garage getting some work done on the RS today. We are putting in a aluminum Mishimoto radiator, a 24mm Whiteline sway bar end links, and a check engine light fix piece for my exhaust. So let's check that out.
I got this for you.
What?
All right. Ready? Ready? Oh, wow.
Wow.
This is your new radiator, man.
What? That should hold plenty of fluid.
Money shot.
Yes.
Oh, yes. Look at that.
It's
High
so
quality,
pretty.
High quality from Mishimoto, as always. Shameless plug.
Yes.
But you'll see this is thicker than the stock one. This is about an inch thicker than the stock one, which shouldn't be an issue. And yeah, everything on here is basically made by hand and flow tested to make sure that there's no leaks and everything flows properly. And Mishimoto backs this up with a lifetime warranty. Even if you get into an accident with these suckers, they will send you one. All you have to do is pay for shipping.
What?
Provide copy of police report. Yeah.
So if I slam into a wall, I got to replace everything on my car except for my radiator?
Exactly.
I just got to pay for shipping?
Yep.
What?
That's all you got to do.
Whoa, look at that cap.
Yep, cap is nice. They make good caps on here. You got the filler neck over. You got the filler neck right here, and then yeah, it's just nice machine quality brushed aluminum.
High quality.
Oh yes, they don't skimp on quality. You'll notice not a single pin on here is bent because they actually take the time and pack these the right way, which is very few and far between these days.
It's good to know.
Yeah, let's get this in.
Sounds good to me. Let's do it. This is the first time I've had the RS up on the lift since we got it installed at the shop. It's a big milestone getting the lift in the shop, so that's super exciting.
Woohoo!
It's gonna make AJ's life a lot easier.
Oh, yeah.
Mental measurements.
Yeah. So, over here, because we have these laying around, you know, these are old and funky looking, and you're going to get a new fancy radiator. You got to get new fancy radiator sticks.
Definitely.
And when I say new, I mean new to Mr. GA over here, but these were on my bug eye, and they fit. They all bolt up. Subarus are like Legos.
Yes.
But these have a nice little etched in Mishimoto logo, and they're blue, matching the theme of the blue.
Yes. The blue on the car.
Oh yes. So
That's
what
exciting.
I usually like to do is I'll put these on just to make sure, because older cars sometimes they have accident histories, and it pushes in the radiator just a little bit. So then we're going to line this up right here for the bolts in and make sure the fans all fit. So we're
Awesome.
looking at decent clearance. These aren't really that big of fans. They're the stock fans. Every other fan on these cars, if you're trying to keep your AC, you don't want to get rid of them.
Definitely.
So read more on that on Naziak.
Hey, North American Subaru Impreza owner.
Yep.
Sweet.
Naziak.
Naziak.
If you don't know Naziak and you're a Subaru owner, you're wrong.
Alright, so the mounting spots are a little different on the on my fans. Tell me a little bit about it, AJ.
So basically what I'm noticing right here, because Mishimoto, what year is your car again?
2000.
2000.
Mm-hmm.
Mishimoto only makes a GC8 radiator that fits between 93 and 98. So what you want to make sure of when you put these fans on is that they're actually sealed up against the radiator to provide optimal flow forward and backwards, depending on which way you have them configured. But since we are reusing the OEM fan shroud, we have to trim a little bit off the top here because the stays are in a little bit different spots for the bolt holes. Because if you look right here, it's off by like not even half a freaking centimeter right here. So all I got to do is I'm going to trim up a little bit here and then let it sit straight in here, and we should be in business.
Sounds good.
Yes, sir.
This is the little OEM sway bar that we are going to be getting rid of and changing out for the Whiteline sway bar and end links. Such a cute little sway bar. Move it with my fingers. Alright, so we modified the fan shroud to fit.
Just a little bit.
And we're having a little bit of a spacing issue on everything. Let's check it out.
I'm gonna bring this down a little here because you don't want this making contact with the belts.
Correct.
So, as long as it's in a spot where it's not gonna melt, it's not gonna catch on anything, it'll be just fine.
Sweet.
So,
Got the handy dandy grinding wheel over here. I think it's saved us multiple times. For sure. Oh yes. It's the old radiator. Seen better days. That's for sure.
probably have bits of plastic, molten plastic all over my face.
Yeah.
Do I?
You do actually.
I'm not surprised.
Let's see.
Oh!
There we go.
Bits of molten plastic.
Still learning how to use this thing. Let's see.
That's alright.
Here we go, back to me. This thing is amazing. Shout out to Chris for the hookup on this Osmo gimbal. It's gonna help me a lot with my videos. I mean, a lot. That's for sure.
Gotta bring it down a little more, just to be safe.
Sweet. Yep, don't want any contact in there.
Nope.
Not on the belts.
Not bad.
We got millions of reasons to let it all go. Hope we're not too broken.
Alright, so we got the new radiator in. We cleaned up some of the threads on the bolts to make it get in a little easier. Hello. So now that the radiator's done, we're going to be working on the sway bar, the 24mm Whiteline sway bar, and the end links. It's this bad boy down here. I'm super stoked. I have like no body roll afterwards. And these are the end links right here. So, shout out to Whiteline.
Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all, lose it all, lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm.
So we got everything installed. We got a Tsudo test pipe put on the car, Mishimoto aluminum radiator, Whiteline 24mm sway bar, and Whiteline end links. And AJ's out testing it right now. Real happy with the way everything came out on it. It's a little dark out here, but let me see if I can get some light. I can hear him too. I can hear him all the way down the street. There he is. Easy over the railroad tracks.
very nice.
Yeah.
You want to drive it?
Heck yeah, man.
You want to drive your own car?
I do.
You'll be just fine.
So I'm about to ride the car with AJ now. See if I can get this thing centered.
Hey. Hey.
Wait, no, not like that.
Hey, look at all those people.
I gotta figure out how to use this thing. There we go. Now AJ gets to hold the camera.
All right. So I guess I'll go like this for the two of us.
Yeah, that actually works.
I'll shut the light off.
Yeah.
Yep, there we go.
Cool.
I don't know if you guys can see us, but we're here. Two pasty white gentlemen.
No, that doesn't work either.
No, it's all right. Just turn that off.
Oh,
there we go.
Two pasty white gentlemen.
We're good.
So a new Mishimoto aluminum radiator, the Whiteline 24mm sway bar,
And brand new end links,
and brand new end links, and a Tsudo test pipe.
which sounds awesome.
Yeah, I heard you coming down the street, man. It sounded great.
Did you hear me leave it in first?
Yes.
Just to give it that extra little.
We go down this way?
Yes, sir. So we're going to Mexico right now, right? Straight to Mexico. You know, Mexico. We live right on the border out here in Florida,
That
Mexico.
works. Yeah.
And it's fairly easy to find.
Wow, that really changed the tone of the exhaust.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
What? Easy over the railroad tracks.
Oh yes. Lowered car life. All right. So you see that street sign we're coming up on the right hand side for Mexico?
Yeah.
You're gonna want to hang that turn hard.
This one here?
Yep. It's the only way to get there.
Woo, a little scrapey.
Ooh, doctor.
Solid though.
Oh yes.
Wow. The exhaust tone is so different. It sounds so good.
It does.
Hang a right,
Yes, sir. Or left.
a left,
Hang a left. And then you'll
over
be
to New Mexico.
New Mexico, yeah, New Mexico's Plaza.
Oh my god.
At the stop sign, bust this turn hard. You don't even need to. You need to. Yeah.
Jesus Christ. Wow. Even if I didn't do the sway bar, the exhaust tone is so much better.
You don't have a stop sign, buddy.
Oh. Safety first.
It's okay.
Wow. It sounds so much more Subaru.
It does. Subaru! Impossible!
Yes. Sick.
Coming up on the tracks, and we are out of Mexico.
Wow.
Wow.
I'm so glad we live so close.
I know, right? Just right over across the way.
Wow, I cannot believe that exhaust tone, dude.
Yep.
I am so happy right now.
I'm happy I had that laying around. That was actually on my Legacy.
Yeah?
I used to have that. So, what do you think?
I love it, man.
Yeah?
I'm excited.
Whiteline sway bar, brand new Mishimoto radiator.
Yes.
All that good.
Sick,
A good
man.
day here at Go Fast Garage.
Definitely. So big shout out to AJ, big shout out to Lawrence, big shout out to Go Fast Garage. Really happy with how everything turned out. It's gonna sound a lot more like a Subaru on the way home. Hit that subscribe button, check out my channel, give me a like. There's plenty of more videos coming in the future. Thanks for checking out my video. G8 out.
We got millions of reasons to let it all go. Hope we're not too broken